Adofun Yebeka say last weekend UTV show no so you show no crowd friend say United Showbiz yes no na Kwame A-plus MP honorable ene Ola Michaels etoto bi emane omoho da bi ma menka ne sa A-plus mum ene tutu bi edema Ola Michael, all because he went on his Facebook page and Nensembia or throw honum to one of the followers no Ola Eko King Kanye Enona ema Kwame A-plus Nikoko epaye na endei Abena Moet aba bekasa afa sa akasa na esie wa United Showbiz na so yanko tie no how she reacted after that video was played for her to listen yanko and answer for her to see yanko tie Abena Moet emrasisia.
Let's be honest, Olashe. I tell you, I feel me. Now United Showbiz, I can say, I don't mean I'm any more high show this one now. Yeah, I pressure me, I should say, retract for insulting myself. I should retract for insulting me, myself. So I don't mean I'm any more high now. And they sat down, everybody smiling, and they are doing, oh, can't no. You see, look, like you see, let's call a spade. By us, why do we end it? I am not my own size, and mushroom bimu na mushroom bimu. And I said, "What me keep doing him now? Be when why? How is it that obit me cast? I'm not be a journey him. Hey, retract. Shada, what do you ziga? Shada, don't mukache ziga. So I retract. Look at the way they were like mumudi sin so now. Look at Abena. You see, in all of my disappointments,
one more drama.
No, but that is the field of the field, Ola. Ola, you see, Ola, Debbie, and everybody on that table, like everybody else, they should be ashamed of themselves. Kumchacha, Vida, everybody. Everybody should have stopped it. There is, you see, what you read what he said out to him. You read what he said out to him, and we all know A-plus. A-plus is A-plus. A-plus can be vulgar and everything. A-plus could have made his statement beautifully. Could have said whatever he wanted to say without saying those things on national emphasis on what? On national television. No, Biati was in oh, na kumchacha so say there or kumchacha say there. Kumchacha say there. Oh, Debbie. Me say if they back send on massage then nobody can tell anybody on that platform to apologize to anybody. And that's the next time me na me kokasana man kan na umu na moto amanu gumi so hala ilala. Una boss ko to dey no budget. Debio. Because we have to keep the same energy for everybody. So what to me can tell I said, what is good for the goose? Me bro, what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. So what to honest, I will say there is a law, and I said there is a ruler, there is a rule governing everybody. Somebody sat down, Papa Penina or Ma, and it's one food journey. I'll see one woman a boost of one in pay, or your leader of Obifie. No, Kwabani told dinner time say, or Jimmy Kaka, or Nim Nansa Kaka, why everybody sitting down and they are laughing. What is funny about it?
But that's only I was laughing.
You
relax.
Ola na make us say, there is I guess that we are bantering. We can banter and talk about the okay, and I don't agree with you that but now dream will form Sebi which where Jimmy Kaka. How do you say that? How? And I won't say only Ola only Debbie make us same see backing vocalist for no word Amuna, they either make you do it more or they will stop you. So starting to be Kwame Kwame weje. Yeah ma cry we pa. But say no be saying Ola also adey. Una peace, una the peace sign by and now you Martin Luther King. Una be peace fighter we are say but Mali kra wu la. But Mali kra wu. Hey, adey.
What would you have wanted
you to do? No, you like me, you look at the host and say, oh, you are laughing. Oh, you too, you are massaging it. Next time you don't tell me to tell somebody to apologize to somebody when I'm wrong, because you can't do it on this platform. And also when somebody is insulting you, you look at them in dead and they say, brah, I know one way you. Yet na bet me ya won't be. And it's because maybe some of us decide to have their chrome and I say, we see Bible say wadi now crying. So nya di nyina e fa. At the end ola, sabi o ma metru blue black. Why not minka? O ma metru rainbow colors. Why not minka? I don't want to minka. Ola de bi o me pesa me tra say. Asem fi why not minka?
You say Kesikoko will be a noon. Name ye
jai fita. Ola nkra sem
So or you're not a member of parliament.
Ola. Ola. Oye Goma when we all support like hands down. Me say and I'm sorry na me tell so I'm sorry. What he did like oya dear with the whole Goma thing oya dear. But you see, there is a line. I know the man most of these leaders now. Your friend is omaji or mine at the end. And the man is saying legacy no. You are doing so good. You are doing something so positive. Now so now they are autocracy kakrebintino. As a umo being kebintino. As a usuban kitu ebintino. Then na no about overshadow good that we na. Yamfa Gaddafi. Yamfa your president. Your former president Jerry John Rawlings. Most of these leaders omoya dio. Ofa good side. It's so beautiful. But because of omo suban kitty be a one chain who wants an enemy no edia no enya on edia say legacy na media make I get that A+ wants to be that to MP. I get it, but you see sometimes you have to draw a line. Sometimes you just have to draw a line, because when I want parliament I want to mean kasa a baby MP ben enti can do baby me penny kwa so di party want to mean party obetimi. But at what point now who nipa who did that time say sana why so get so get in attention this company.
You see
I don't know that was Abena Moet. That was her submission on what happened on the friend is saying United Showbiz. Hey, why do I keep forgetting this? According to her, no, A+ ye MP, yes. Now sometimes no, moye nyoma so ni pe ni bebre nanso musuban kiti bi ene autocracy name, you know, mekasa me peso bia beka bi me da minstro bia sa suban kiti bi ni ntina onyoma oye ne papa ni na amanfo ebomu ni egu ni na so na bone na oye ni momu no na ye de describe it. Or make example with Jerry John Rawlings near there. When you take their, you know, good side, it's very good, it's very beautiful. And so, omusuban kiti binti ana ibua ye bo mutimbo ninti A+ and ye careful. So no ankasa ni colleague ye Ola Michael ana on national TV otimi editing attempt sesebio Jimmy for near there repeatedly, and none of the panelist was able to stop him and answer, tell him to put a halt to whatever he was doing. My infamo NC Hanum Sin Yebesan so Ishabium in the next one. Akram.